Hi dear students, welcome back to the session. So in this class we'll discuss about the nature of path traced by the charged particle in magnetic field. When charged particles are moving inside the magnetic field, what is the trajectory or nature of path traced by the charged particle? Whether the charged particle is moving in a straight line, whether the charged particle is moving in a circle, what is the actual path traced by the charged particle when they are in the state of motion within the region of what? The magnetic field. In general, let us discuss about motion of charged particle inside the magnetic field here. So consider the next discussion: motion of charge in magnetic field. Motion of charge in magnetic field. So before us starting our actual discussion, let us consider the force acting on the charge which is moving in a magnetic field. If any charge is moving in a region of what? The magnetic field, you know very well that charge is going to experience which force? The magnetic force, and that magnetic force is given by the formula QVB sin theta. So this is the force which is acting on any charge which is moving inside the magnetic field. I guess you know what is the meaning of theta here. What is theta? Theta is the what? The angle made by direction of motion of charged particle with respect to what? The magnetic field. Or else it is the theta is an angle between velocity and direction of the velocity and the direction of the magnetic field. And in vector form, the same force can be written as, in the vector form, F is equals to Q into V cross B. So from this discussion, that is from vector form of what? The force acting on charged particle in a magnetic field, easily we can predict the direction of the force. Magnitude of the force is given by F is equals to QEB sin theta. What is the direction of the force? This direction of the force is perpendicular to, concentrate here, direction of the force is perpendicular to plane containing V and B. The direction of the force is perpendicular to plane containing V and B, which indicates that force is not only perpendicular to the what? Velocity, the force is also perpendicular to the what? The magnetic field. If force yav type act aguttandre, this force will be perpendicular to the plane containing what? V and B. For example, if this is the direction of the magnetic field, say for example this is the direction of the magnetic field, this is the direction of the velocity, means charged particle is moving along this direction. This is the direction of the velocity of a charge. This is the direction of the velocity of a charge. And of course this will call it as a theta. And this is called plane containing V and B. Our board is the plane containing V and B. Board is the plane containing V and B. What should be the direction of the force here? The direction of the force should be perpendicular to, the direction of the force should be perpendicular to plane containing V and B, which indicates that force is perpendicular to the velocity. This force, which force? Magnetic force will be perpendicular to the direction of the velocity. If any force is perpendicular to the direction of the velocity, from the knowledge of PU1, you know very well that kind of force will call it as a centripetal force. Which is centripetal force here? The force which is perpendicular to direction of velocity of a particle, that force is generally will call it as a centripetal force. From this discussion, it is clear that the magnetic force which is acting on moving charge in the magnetic field is perpendicular to what? Velocity. ಇದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ this force is which force? Centripetal force. That is magnetic force acting on charged particles serve as a centripetal force. As a result, that force makes a charged particle to go in curved path. If any force is perpendicular to the velocity, generally what happens? That force will make a charged particle to move in a which path? Curved path here. So this is very important point as related to the what? The direction of which force? Magnetic force. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಪಿಟಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಪಿಟಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಜನರಲಿ ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಪಿಟಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಬಾಡಿ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್? Curved path. Definitely the what? Charged particle may move in what? Curved path. What is the nature of that curve? What is the nature of that curve? That we'll discuss. And come back to my discussion. I am discussing about how the charged particle is moving in the region of magnetic field. Whether it is moving in a straight line, whether it is taking parabolic path, or else it is taking what? Helical path, or else it is taking what? Circular path. We are going to discuss what actually the nature of path traced by the charged particle when it is moving in the magnetic field. And one more thing, let me recall here, very elementary discussion it is. So the direction of the magnetic field is sometimes represented by symbol cross. Magnetic field is represented by cross symbol, and the magnetic field is also represented by dot symbol. I guess you know very well when the dot symbol is used and when the cross symbol is used. Dot symbol represent the direction of the magnetic field is perpendicular to the board and out of the board. One ವೇಳೆ magnetic field direction ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಾಟ್. ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ board and out of the board, then it is represented by dot. What cross represents? Cross represents, of course, the magnetic field direction is perpendicular to the plane of the board, but it is inside the board. Perpendicular to the plane of the board and it is inside the board. So this is the what? Symbolical representation of the direction of the magnetic field. Now we will consider the various cases. The first case, when theta is equals to 0 degree. When theta is equals to 0 degree or theta is equals to 180 degree. What is the meaning of theta is equals to 0 degree and theta is equals to 180 degree? Theta 0 degree or theta 180 degree indicates that charged particle enters into a region of magnetic field either in the same direction of the magnetic field or else in the opposite direction of the magnetic field, or else the velocity direction is either parallel to the magnetic field, the velocity direction either it is anti-parallel to the direction of the magnetic field. So imagine that we have the magnetic field along this direction. This is the direction of the magnetic field. Now this is the region of magnetic field. Magnetic field along. Now the charged particle. Here is the charged particle of what? Magnitude V. Sorry, charged particle of magnitude Q. Q is a magnitude of charge, and this charge enters into the magnetic field with initial velocity V. This charged particle enters into the region of what? Magnetic field with initial velocity V, such a way that the direction of motion of a charged particle or direction of the velocity is parallel to the direction of the magnetic field. Suppose if a charged particle enters parallel to the direction of the magnetic field, or charged particle enters anti-parallel to the direction of the magnetic field, in both cases this charged particle will not experience any magnetic force inside the magnetic field. One ವೇಳೆ charge parallel ಅಥವಾ anti-parallel direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಝೀರೋ. What is the meaning of magnetic force acting on the charged particle is zero? F is equals to formula ಏನಂದ್ರೆ QVB sin theta. Since theta value is equals to what? Zero. If theta value is equals to zero, the value of F is zero. What is the meaning of F is equals to zero? When no force is acting on a charged particle, you know very well the direction of the motion of a charged particle is not going to change. Or else, charged particle is not deviated in the magnetic field. What is the meaning of charged particle is not deviated in the magnetic field? If the charged particle is not deviated or deflected by the magnetic field, definitely the charged particle will go straight. Charged particle will go straight inside the magnetic field. ಯಾಕೆ straight path ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? Definitely the force acting on the charged particle is zero. So if force acting on the charged particle is zero, the charged particle is moving in the region of the magnetic field in a straight line, indicating that what is the nature of path traced by the charged particle here? Linear path. Linear path. The path traced by the charged particle in this case is linear path. Concentrate here. What happens? If a charged particle enters with initial velocity v, either parallel or anti-parallel to the direction of the magnetic field, the path traced by the charged particle is linear. Or trajectory of a charge. Trajectory of a charge is a linear. So this is the first case. Now I will go for the second case. When theta is equals to 90 degree. Second case is theta is equals to 90 degree. I will consider when theta is equals to 90 degree. I guess you know what is theta here. Theta is an angle between velocity of a charged particle and direction of the magnetic field. Let me take a magnetic field which is perpendicular to the what? Plane of the board. Perpendicular to the plane of the board, and it is out of the board. This is the direction of the magnetic field. How the charged particle enters here? Charged particle enters perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. Magnetic field how direction alide? Magnetic field is along this direction, and imagine that charged particle enters along this direction with velocity. Charged particle enters along which direction? Y direction. And the magnetic field is along which direction? Z direction. Definitely what should be the direction of the force? Magnetic field E direction nallide. Velocity E direction nallide. What should be the direction of the force? The direction of the force should be perpendicular to plane containing V and B. Here is the V. Here is the B, and this is called plane containing V and B. The direction of the force is perpendicular to the plane containing V and B. This is the direction of the force. E directionally magnetic field ಇದೆ, E directionally velocity ಇದೆ, definitely E directionally force act ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the direction of motion of what? Charged particle. And this is the direction of the which force? Magnetic force. And this is the direction of what? Magnetic field. Look at the direction of the force here. What is the direction of the force? The direction of the force is perpendicular to the direction of velocity of a charge. That's what. This force acts like a which force? Centripetal force. As a result, this force will make a charged particle to move in what? The circle. Definitely this force makes a charged particle to move in circle. this charged particle experience a maximum force. How much is the force here? QVB sin theta, sin 90 degree. The force acting is what? QVB, and this force is perpendicular to what? The direction of the velocity. Hence the force is, which force? The magnetic force acts like a centripetal force. Therefore the path traced by charged particle is circle. The charged particle will continuously move in circular path. So this is the path traced by the charged particle when the charged particle enters perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. Definitely it is going to trace a circular path, or a trajectory of a charge is a circle here. Now I will go to the last case, that is third case. What is the third case here? Theta equals to 0 degree or 180 degree. The path traced is linear path. Theta is equals to 90 degree. The path traced by the charged particle is circular path. What if theta is other than 0 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree? That is, charge enters into magnetic field at any angle theta with the direction of which field? Magnetic field. Imagine that this is the direction of what? Magnetic field, and charged particle enters like this in the region of what? The magnetic field. This is the direction of what? The velocity of the charged particle. Such a way that charge makes an angle theta with what? Direction of the magnetic field. So of course this may be a y direction, that is y-axis. Along x-axis we have the what? Magnetic field, and of course this is called what? The direction of the velocity. Now the velocity makes an angle theta with what? Horizontal. Velocity makes an angle theta with the horizontal. Therefore this velocity should be resolved into how many components? Two components. One is called horizontal component and another one is called what? Vertical component. Which is the horizontal component of velocity? The horizontal component of velocity, we will call it as a VH. What is VH here? The horizontal component of velocity should be V cos theta. The horizontal component of velocity should be V cos theta, and the vertical component should be what? V sin theta. So the velocity of a charged particle is resolved into two components. One component is V cos theta and another component is what? V sin theta. Concentrate here. Charge is simultaneously acted upon by two velocities. Charge has simultaneously two velocities. Andre artha enu? Simultaneously the charge is going to have the two kind of motion anta. One kind of motion is called what? Horizontal motion. That is V cos theta will make a charge to move in a straight line. Simultaneously the V sin theta will make a charge to move in a circle. ಈ V cos theta ಏನಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮುಂದಗಡೆ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ಲಿ V sin theta ಏನಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾತ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುವಂಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Which means simultaneously the charge is going to have two kind of motion. Simultaneously the charge is going to have the two kind of motion, that is V cos theta make a charged particle to move forward and V sin theta will make a charged particle to go in a circle. The resultant of this will be which path? Definitely it is a helical path. Simultaneously ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾತ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾತ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಷನ್ or which kind of the path the charge is going to trace here? Definitely the path traced by the charged particle in this case is helical, moving forward and going in a circle. Moving forward and going in a circle. Moving forward and going in a circle. Therefore, what is the path taken by the charged particle here? Path taken by the charged particle is helical path here. So at the end of the discussion, you must know what are the different trajectory of a charge which is moving in a magnetic field. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ trajectory ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Path traced by the particle will call it as a trajectory. ಯಾವಾಗ linear trajectory ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ circular trajectory ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ helical trajectory irutte, that you should know. So tell me, what is the nature of the motion of a charged particle? If charged particle enters parallel or anti-parallel to the direction of the magnetic field, the path taken by the charged particle is linear. If charged particle enters perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field, then path traced by the charged particle is circle. If a charged particle enters into a magnetic field at any angle theta other than 0 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree, definitely the path taken by the charged particle will be helical path. So this is what about the motion of a charged particle in the magnetic field.